Yo, what is up everybody? It's your man Pat Black back with another video. And today we're talking about something near and dear to all of our hearts. How to travel more and spend less. I'm talking about the holy grail of travel hacking. The unicorn of budget backpacking, cheap flights. Let's be real, nobody likes getting price gouged by airlines. But hold up, don't hit that cancel trip button just yet. We live in a world dominated by algorithms. And today we're diving deep into two of the best in the game, Hopper and Skyscanner. First up, let's talk about Hopper. This app, my friends, is a game changer. Seriously, it's like having a crystal ball that tells you exactly when to book your flights to avoid those soul-crushing price hikes. Hopper analyzes billions, and I mean billions with a B, of flight prices every single day. It uses some seriously powerful AI to predict when those prices are going to drop, or, brace yourselves, skyrocket higher than a SpaceX launch. Here's how it works. You open up the app, punch in your travel dates, or if you're like me, and always down for a spontaneous adventure, you can just hit that flexible dates button. Hopper will then work its magic, showing you a color-coded calendar that's basically a cheat sheet for cheap flights. Green means go, baby, go. Book that flight before the price jumps. Red? Well, red means you might want to hold off for a bit. But wait, there's more. Hopper doesn't just tell you when to fly, it tells you whether you should book now or play the waiting game. You see, this AI is a pro at spotting those sneaky airline pricing strategies, and if you're the type who'd rather scroll through memes than obsessively refresh airline websites, Hopper has got you covered. You can set up price alerts for your desired trips, and the app will shoot you a notification the second the price drops. Talk about convenience. And the best part? Hopper's predictions are about 95% accurate, so you can trust Hopper's advice and book your flights with confidence knowing you're getting the best possible deal. Now let's move on to our next contender in the battle for budget-friendly travel, Skyscanner. While Hopper is like your all-knowing travel agent, Skyscanner is more like the ultimate flight search engine. It's the Sherlock Holmes of finding hidden deals, the Indiana Jones of unearthing the cheapest fares across the vast and often overwhelming world of airlines and travel agencies. Trust me, this app is a traveler's best friend. So how does it work? Well, it's pretty straightforward. You pop open the app, toss in your destination and your travel dates. Skyscanner then leaps into action, scanning through its massive database of airlines and travel agencies to present you with a neatly organized list of flights all sorted by price. No more jumping between tabs, no more endless scrolling, just pure, unadulterated flight deals delivered right to your fingertips. But Skyscanner doesn't stop there. It also gives you the power to play the system, to outsmart those airlines that think they can pull a fast one on savvy travelers like us. Use Skyscanner's whole month view, and boom, you'll see a calendar highlighting the most affordable travel dates. And just like Hopper, Skyscanner lets you set up price alerts. So whether you're a meticulous planner or a last-minute adventurer, you can track flight prices and pounce on a deal the second it pops up. So, there you have it, my friends. The ultimate 1-2 punch for scoring cheap flights, Hopper and Skyscanner. Now I know what you're thinking. Casey, you've blown my mind, but which app should I use? Well, my friend, it all boils down to your travel style. If you're all about that data-driven life, if you want an AI travel agent whispering the best time to book in your ear, then Hopper is your new best friend. But if you're more of a free spirit, if you love the thrill of the hunt for the best deals, if you're ready to pack your bags and jet off to parts unknown at a moment's notice, then Skyscanner is your weapon of choice. And hey, why choose? Personally, I use both. Because when it comes to saving money on travel, I believe in covering all my bases. First up, try to book your flights on Tuesdays or Wednesdays, clear your browser cookies or use incognito mode to avoid those sneaky price hikes.